Autonomous lightweight drone for inventory and inspection. Drones are increasingly being used for industrial applications, especially the inspection of hard-to-reach areas or warehouse inventory taking. However, the hardware required to operate autonomous drones is often heavy, making the devices expensive and dangerous for the workers around them, never mind difficult to use in spaces like warehouses, factories or greenhouses where measures such as safety nets can disrupt operation. By offloading intensive tasks such as image processing to a stationary ground computer, Flanders Make changes all that. This allows small, lightweight drones to be used for tasks they wouldn't normally be able to perform, such as flying autonomously or reading markers. As just one example, we've used off-the-shelf drones weighing less than 250 grams to conduct inventory tasks. Removing onboard image processing means drones operate far more efficiently. The reduced weight makes them much safer for the people around them, and their cost can be reduced tenfold.